Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I want to share with you my napkin ring collection. And I also want to share with you what is it that I do with them. How do I repurpose them? So I have many different kinds. Some of them are gold, brass, some of them are made out of wood. Some of them are ceramic, and I use them for different purposes in my dollhouse stores. Of course, you can use them at your dining table, but I have a different purpose for them. So for example, you see these two that I have here? I only have two. Some of them I'm able to find in sets, and some of them I can't find them in sets, like for example these, because I bought them either at a flea market, a thrift shop, yard sale, so sometimes you just don't find the set. So this one here, I'm actually using this one in a pink dollhouse bathroom to store the towels. That is the purpose of this one. And I have two. Then I have another one here. This one is serving as a pot for the plants. So let's say I had a whole bunch of these, which I do, but let's say in this color, I can make a garden, or even if I have make a flower shop, a miniature flower shop. All the plants can be inside these napkin rings. This one, I have another one, and I have a dollhouse that has a weak floor. So what I did was I used the same one, but I used it like this. You see this tube, this long tube? This is from aluminum foil, and it's a very sturdy one. This is not from the Bounty. The Bounty one is kind of weak, but this one is not. So in that dollhouse where I have the weak floor, what I did was I decorated the tube with beautiful paper, and I was able to insert it into one of these. So now I have my beautiful base for the beautiful tube that's decorated, and it's holding up the floor of the dollhouse. So that is the purpose that this tube has inside any of these napkin rings. Then I have another napkin ring here that is serving as a small coffee table, and I have a whole bunch of those that I bought recently. There were 16 of those for $2.50 at a thrift shop. So I can make them anything. I can make them plants, I can make them tables. So you get the idea. Then look at those beautiful ones there. So many different shapes, designs. And look at the wood ones down there. And you know, since I get all these at thrift shops, yard sales, flea markets, many times I even pay like just a quarter for one. And like I said, these ivory ones here, I got 16 of them for $2.50. And look at how beautiful they are. So I repurpose them, and if I ever need to use them at my dining table, then I do. But for now, they have a different purpose for what they were meant to be for. Okay, so thank you for your support, and thank you for watching.